The key aspect of environmental protection is water quality testing. Traditional water quality monitoring stations typically use chemical methods and electrode methods. The reagents produced can lead to pollution. Moreover, the costs for building and maintaining stations are high. Data collection is slow. Optosky addresses water quality pollution issues. Developed the ATE2100 reagent-free optical water quality sensor. The ATE2100 is based on the UV absorption method. Quickly measures water quality parameters such as COD, turbidity, TSS, and water temperature. NO reagents, pollution-free and more cost-effective. Single sensor can monitor multiple indicators. Lower costs for construction and maintenance management. It can be quickly replicated, making it easy for users to build a broader water quality monitoring network. The ATE2100 has algorithms to compensate for turbidity, temperature, and other interferences, adapt to different hydrological environments, provides accurate measurement results. IT features a rod-shaped structure and an open flow cell. Equipped with an automatic cleaning device, clean attached contaminants on the window. Can be directly submerged in water. In situ online water quality monitoring. IT minimizes later maintenance work to the greatest extent. Compared to traditional testing methods, the ATE2100 operates reagent-free. IT avoids secondary pollution. More environmentally friendly, low maintenance, and long-lasting. The ATE2100 has built-in one-button calibration feature. Easy to operate. The monitoring data is presented more clearly. The ATE2100 monitors water pollution in real time. IT provides data support for water quality management and is important in water monitoring, industrial production, environmental monitoring. Optosky has a comprehensive range of water quality monitor. AT2000 Online water quality monitor. AT2300 Full spectrum water quality monitor. AT5100 Oil pollution alarm system. AT5000 Oil pollution remote sensing system. AT3000 Portable water quality analyzer. ATW6200 Portable water quality heavy metal rapid analyzer. ATW2310 Florence underwater radiometer. ATW2320 Hyperspectral underwater radiometer supports real-time and automated water quality testing. Offer users comprehensive water quality monitoring solutions. Optosky, as a leading enterprise in spectroscopy instruments, led over 10 standards for spectrometers, holding over 200 intellectual property rights, with over 70 invention patents. That there are 6 R&D centers nationwide, over 20 offices. With over 300 experienced engineers. Provides localized, fast, and highly efficient after-sales service.